Yes, I'm a kwabiem efa emra Mpensenpensenmu dwumadie esmeka se Franco Trading Enterprise be aka ne aka to se phone papa na himfie ene Franco adweso wo perfume bi se Nokia Samsung iPhones a ne ye papa ebeche amount na ne bonso wo from pa no eye Franco Trading Enterprise enkwa na eton biem or smart TVs that ranges from 32 to even 100 inches. Oko akache Franco say ne smart TVs ni binti na waba oba bepe bi ato tabletop fridge so hono sa na Franco air condition from 1.5 to 2.5 horsepower no CCTV camera wo ha ne tabale kura ebetwe ayu apiem oto ade of Franco for app ne so a unya automatic 40% discount umpewe na app de free 0246 422 338 0246 422 338 and at 0555 939 311 0555 939 311 Franco Trading Enterprise still for papa efie and honum. The 100 degrees X wedding so Airbus 24th October ye nyina ye shia our National Theatre and the 100 degrees X Jumedie a first of its kind music entertainment experience led by electrifying Kabute, my MC, and unstoppable DJ Wushman. Edibato can say it's opening with a bar happy hour. So what you say? Bar happy hour. You be a bar happy hour not more best 2 hours. So 5 p.m. Not bar happy hour no. I say a fiada 24th October 2025. When you know ni energy about you know a 200 Ghana cedis. 7 p.m. na show nakasa astarte. Upeso to take it out. That is star 713 star 19 hash. Star 713 star 19 hash. It is Friday we yakwa kwaji ani. Yakwa kwaji watch fiache pie bi 200 Ghana cedis. Wo happy hour ewom. Sounds na o main jam enso ewom. O jiwani a ewiane kete ennamu sa edema 200 Ghana cedis. That is star 713 star 19 hash. Neto ticket CCA. When I saw a cinema de bro it's a production by Riverman Production, Oduma Solutions, and the cyber security people of a digital partner so MG Digital and 3 Extra. Supported by Joy Prime TV, Joy FM, Hits FM, Adom FM, Adom TV, and Asempa FM. 100 degrees X. You just have to be there. Adom Color Party and so Ebaso. 1st November. Yenshia Ewo. Legon Botanical Gardens Samini is our guest artist Efanyagro 1st November ebeye brutal
my point na on the national service issue or make it and it comes back to the digital system.
Okay.
Yeah, you say in some of these things putting all these things together there should be an inputter and an approver.
Okay.
In digital systems. Now, nimpa ebe inputting names ni ade no. Obe check it and it will go through all the other checks ni ade. If you are going to go into details now, obe realize say nyama pi amoka about the national service. Who bisa won say where are the details of all these things are omoka? Because you can't just go and take someone at the top say oh we did so much. And when the case came out, no, don't forget so almost say give to one we could give 4 billion. It's almost court, no. It's not 4 billion again. Almost say 31 million Ghana cedis. Other co-millions there be about 300 and something instead of the 4 billion. Attorney General first day.
Okay.
All reported from Yoko started here. So me mesre say Ghanaians yen and they should be fair to the people involved.
Okay.
Every detail I say yadeba out no yen fambra out. That we want to see those who are the inputters, those who are the approvers, whether they themselves went to input and approve. Yeah, I want to see all those things. And let us be truthful.
So it should be limited to Nipa Minne.
It's not.
Okay.
It's not. It can never be. If there's a truth in all these things, it can never be. Because in a system, there was always the inputter is always different from the approver.
Okay.
And
Nipa no share system.
Or the share system no.
Okay.
On once when you find share system no once now approve say we the share system. No, it doesn't work that way. Until there's always obia inputter. You have more your code for inputting. You have obi for also code for approval.
Okay.
So let us come out with all the fine details, and then we can all sit down and look at it. But now you stop it, some media judgment, it's not helping the cause of justice.
Galamsey, NAIMOS arrest 7 excavators.
Medasi, asoma menu raise here because of commercials. So 2017, a buying a yard, a stop for mining in general.
Small scale
mining.
Yeah, for 2 years.
Well, says for 2 years or 3 years or see in Sunyai. So 2017, you could see him for who say a grand scheme where you create amount for level fats on the system at the time. One, my mention of one. Yes, I've been a excavators 500. You could see him for. Yes, I've been na the other excavators rating nano. Then we see former Central Regional Vice Chairman. A indicted. Then Minister for Environment, Science and Technology. First of all, watching. And yes, I take Pukono Mindite, a Charles Bisi, and a presidential staffer at the seat of the presidency. And yes, I believe Tianu. And a young movie, Ghana, Association of Small Scale Miners. Sorry, say, system no aye yank, you say be protected, Binumono. Ye jibin sassy. Be afraid you go to near the court. Tisans no kwade mo mo nka kro ma Ghana for yaw ene Ghana for bufu anya na mo mugina mo mo si 2020 kwa akansi no most of the mining communities omu lusu ya yenya a sitting member of parliament run up to 2024 yewra Dr. You our MP war a friend say is it Drabbing e wa Ashanti region o say Galamsey no illegal no omu ntwaso ne ntwaso chan
wanka illegal die.
Galamsey because they lost most of the mining communities. And say no na NDC for pay. Eti ne yesre say abaninye the needful. Na won hwe say illegal mining ne be ko form dia omonye nnenye no chana. Sasa mukro yam ya wuntumi ya interview no okay. Small scale miners.
Yes.
Small scale mining, legal mining.
From GALAMSEY.
No.
And that's what he said.
No. Momo dear. Listen.
Small scale mining.
Send a okay and admonish with a choro.
Mature.
You see, Minia. Ocean Nana, Zebra Mahama, Asia, CSUs. I hope say be a Okobi.
The laughable one.
Ghana, for the first time in the history of Ghana, Association of Small Scale Miners. Omo General Secretary, Yewra Gordon, Ejina Bompani Abaso. E won hye hye asabre bo so me nkunu abasha ase awoye. Ye san wie ye no. Central for Kabumuku mo president. GJ president said am utie no. Ono so gina mu ka say in fact, so amaha san na mo ntu we ya aban neto no. No kronya mi anim, ne ho adwure no. To bebo aban abo aban hye no mu dawuru. Sasa san Kenya ni say ya Kena Galamsey nke tu na tu si. Ye wi anya ono so nko a. Mi ankasa mi nua pani kan ahigbe. A ono so di coalition bi anim against illegal mining. Ono so gina ba aban na baso. Ye wi anya ono so nko a. A friend is a coalition of Muslim organization. Rep obaye. E gina mu sabo pani Mahama baso. Ye wi ye Catholic bishop. Asabro nko kwodina ma France Roma afo asori nka bomuku so ko bia onu so dina baba na baba so bona e de yin ene Yewra Mahama say minua through attorney general so one your friend say chief justice enye kitahudi esi timinya special court court of tribunal na sa court si echi obi because as we speak attorney general dina mu say cases are file court be 1200 cases. Now dear to the hardness so we push case back on. Case be not more than a year or two. And you know, on Chief Justice Aka. Sasa court of tribunal no ya de beba no. Sa court na djuma di o hwe so amini o hwe Ghana house ye mra mu a. Emre bie ni ho no ma chichiro bi sa asem wi. E se odi ni be bosome anabosumi o se bosome ensa. And also no mu push di akose. Tribunal yi cases are a bedi efa illegal mining ho no atwam abebo so nsia ne ade awi what before na antia so kwanya appeal sabi aban ni betimi etu ana mompa ena me no ka say sabi wo hwe illegal mining dwumadi no mu a Yewra Mahama the commitment level e wo so Papa, I saw you also kind of the commitment level. I was so.
How?
What's it how? And now me know can say. More bresso. About 11 forest reserves.
Talk about talk about now. What's it? So tell us what he's done.
Say to be able to solve a problem. We need the antecedent and you can't solve the problem. The root cause on this 11 forest reserve were my breast. Montana see ya high. A creative ya mudi di mu say no. Those 11 forest reserve and droning. Nena say ya. Ye reclaim ama soldier for combined force. O mine aje reclaim about 9. 2 akai baako ewo atimponua na sa wote say soldier nipa ni oda no last 2 weeks o ko take over house so sebe ta frache o man pani so nya committed a sa na muntu wi na fancy and na me no san ka say ensi hwa aban we hihya was ade ato no o hwe excavators ya che like I told you soldier need na ho kasa che Ghana fo na atwi na de go be maka camp na fo aban we abre so chamfan ye che a this time yen waste time say de ko ba bi o kwani a hye chamfan no na mum say excavator na say sabita frache ye tu no control board anas ye tu no essential part ah man wo di be low bed so e de kan hunu be bre yen de kwani twede ya tu and then that is why we fa titru western north side of Honomoa we report to Abacha say so ni mu nyara ete.
It's not true.
Oh, it's true.
It's not true.
Oh, did you listen to the doctor? Went you know?
It's not true.
Dan, did you listen to the program?
It's not true.
Went you?
It's not true.
So what you say into the media?
And I'll show you.
I feel say, o shebe bi o man ne kwa, you know Mahama or Sabaso body so. I believe say, yanton koso. Shemo breso amosimo fight illegal mining. Last year budget amutwa mo dey fight illegal mining was 10 million Ghana cedis.
No, we trying.
You try 50 million 2025. Me ba na mo 2025 50 million. You know Mahama say Gina Ghana
times that.
What's it?
5 times their year try.
Yes. More commitment. You can just 10 million Ghana cedis. No, hold on. Mama breso. Mama breso no. As a hoax cliche arrangement of fighting illegal mining no. Mo yaso di abo wun to me with impunity. Timi se sa go the be good television so e che Ghana for say dem ka bia yinti. You be too good now.
It's never true.
What is never true? What is never true? It is true. Hold on, please. No, hold on. Is it not true? Say, won't to me say go to see television so. Actually, Ghana for say, muka kura minti ma to go. Na akonta mining. Listen, akonta mining. Eba ne say na akonta mining timi nya kwan. E ko to go to forest reserve mu. Ghana what in Mpensenpensenmu da?
Se ne mra ma ho kwan.
Because in 2022, ana mukoko fa. LI 2462 no buy 2022
Saturday near war hang parliament.
Yes,
and now NDC both NDC MPP MPs each LI ni two.
Now Sabre war friends hang parliament and NDC MPP di two. Now Sabre send you see hang. Me wana. Yeah. Sabre na parliament na numbers near say 137 plus then you
plus 1
make it 138 137 now majority ni minority
but NDC MPs are boycotting when we are approving the LI.
Yes.
Yeah, we approve the LI.
Yeah, LI na ye ma kwase ko ye mine.
The fact is say am boycott kwa na say 20 or 12 one dey nkunim. And majority
who say na pese hono ko wi say.
Yes.
Ye MPs nso te ho bi.
Yes.
Eni age sa mara we after reading through. It is a case of accusation here.
Minority
from executive to legislature. No. Okay.
Minority Benyani say.
Okay.
But majority Benyani way.
It's not
so one lay airline to parliament. One go lay. And some people prepare airline and go cabinet.
Okay, but that's it.
No man panino. I dey na better cabinet. I wouldn't say. Over so obo my job I dey hope I know. Now what me am akwan say. Regional chairman, young trust as well. Forest,
but from message. You also say good morning. Please tell my brother Alfred we don't use 10 months to fight GALAMSEY. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has 4 years to rule Ghana, so he should let the president work and have his peace of mind.
We said the president
2 p.m. from Asante.
Have we said the president shouldn't work? My main money we are not say. Or say yeah, you say 10 million because we are being prudent. The mere fact say we are GALAMSEY and now we fight GALAMSEY doesn't mean
10 million Ghana cedis on GALAMSEY fight.
Yes, doesn't mean say a year. Doesn't mean say go and over budget for people to enjoy.
No. Okay.
We will not do that. We will not destroy their country's finances and go and destroy water bodies. Ayesu River, I can say, what is the turbidity level? Ayesu River. My friend say, Birim River, what is the turbidity level right now? To the extent say, even Yak Room, your friends and Yak Room, your friends, water treatment, but they had to close it down. When Ashigbe and the rest were at the place and saying that thank you for the mere fact that Catholic bishops, Abeka said thank you, just say they approve what you are doing.
Someone can just thank you.
Almost say you should stop Galamsey and you should stop your friends mining for some time so that the water bodies will work.
No,
because we are all getting affected. Can Ashigbe can we and wouldn't be there no? G-Tech saying the doctorate degree in Bogitanumbo in your papa. Meanwhile, the mates.
I said, meaning say because of your kind.
No. It's the dada. The dada. The dada. Then I should be you say doctor. And yet 1 year, and yet 2 years. Oh, Mamma, so make us we are then you ask your question. Make us we are. You can ask your question. May say, make us we can ask your question. G-Tech. Started say oh yeah fake titles no. Yeah. Yes, we all know.
Okay.
Can Ashigbe started say oh kasa no. Enye ene. But this time also rekotia your friends a meeting the CSO's meeting Uncle Siaga. A president to me be na look at and say just said national security abeka and say nzona e wo ho no enye ansana
as a president you want
what say mama kasa what so kasa anita we say
yanko Africa.
Just a national security be catch and say baby edu no obia hu say nsuo no enye say aye yo aye mahama chocolate na say nsuo na aye yes that's how bad it is. Go and check the rivers. Me say and I was driving around there from Yakwabitifi na Yefi Hoba. When you look at both sides it is say my friend say chocolate mixer say the chef no chocolate mix. I say the chef fridge. That is how bad it is. And you come and sit here, you have the audacity to use over 50 million and come and sit here and tell me, say, oh, you've solved the problem, or you are solving the problem. Excavators are that is what when you came, you started doing. But these are things MPP are almost started, they started burning excavators, no, before you people stopped it. Everything are things they are repeating. They don't learn. That is what they want to tell us. They are not learning from everything the air course.
Okay.
They should go and read Dr. Baumier's manifesto, and they will see the wisdom in how to fight Galamsey. I'm telling them today, if they want to know how to fight Galamsey, they should go and read it, and you see the wisdom in fighting Galamsey. Go and check their manifesto. They couldn't even write anything about how they are going to, the process they are going to use to fight Galamsey. That is why today, or to make a fresh years, 10 months.
Also the AI.
10 months after being in office. Now we're voting 50 million. Amount who say we don't grow for, we be pacha.
No grow for.
Now we and we catch. Oh, massa. I didn't say we are jittery, sir. 50 million. So when you be 50 million. So when you be
50.
Wabo, my friend say, Yamin, any abangadin. Over 3 months, nothing has come, no report has come out of it. And you tell me that you want to fight Galamsey?
Okay.
No reports, 3 months.
But I say, Alfred Thompson, a member of the NPP National Communications Team. Harun Apau, a Deputy Managing Director of Metro Mass Transit, and former Eastern Regional Youth Organizer of the NDC. But from the Asano Pemaka, Emery, and Comedian Yakwis, Yanaseka Sekoma. Production team from light, sound, camera, MC. I will be here.
How to fight Galamsey. I will give them the right direction. More. Yes, I will do that.
Ochina, your one-on-one interview be Adom, an exclusive one. Consider Adom TV. Background.